Toyota Corolla and Camry key fobs from 2014 to 2019 use a CR2032 battery. If your remote isn't working, the battery is likely the issue. First, gather a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver. Carefully insert the screwdriver into the seam on the fob. Avoid the key slot to prevent damage. Gently pry the case open. Be cautious as the internal clips can be fragile. If it's stuck, apply a little heat from a hairdryer to soften any adhesive. Once open, remove the old battery, noting the positive side. Clean any corrosion with a soft cloth. Install the new CR2032 battery with the positive side up. Snap the case back together securely. After replacing the battery, test the fob from 10 to 20 feet away to ensure it works. If it still doesn't work, try resyncing by cycling the ignition key in the door lock. Refer to your Toyota manual for specific steps. A common issue is a stuck case due to the fob's seal. If you can't open it, use a thin metal shim or seek professional help to avoid damage. Ensure the battery is correctly aligned to prevent shorts. Check polarity before inserting. Avoid cheap generic batteries as they are prone to leaks that can damage the fob. If problems persist, try a software update via an OBD2 scanner or visit a certified mechanic. DIY repairs carry risks, so proceed carefully.